Hey, good morning, everyone. We're so excited to actually be here. Something that we've actually talked about in the past about this real hidden gem off of Ridgely Road. You would have never imagined that this is back here. Please tell us where we're at and what is it that they do here. It's very special and unique to Baltimore.
That's correct. We're here at the Hahn Company, which is a family-owned and operated business that makes badges and has been making badges here in Baltimore since 1898.
Absolutely. And take a look at it, too, because we have some on display right now. Tell us a little bit about what people are seeing at this moment.
So right now you're looking at some of the badges that they've manufactured here. Hahn Company has been making badges for Baltimore City, Baltimore County, Delaware State Police, Maryland State Police, and the Citadel for ages. And so if anyone's coming into the service there, you can come here to order a new badge and things like that.
Can you even talk about the artistry behind something like this? Because nowadays, this is not really something that you kind of even have. This is kind of a craft that we're really holding on to here.
That is so correct, because everything here is made by hand. They use large machines to start the process, cutting the dies for the badges, but then the actual pieces are put on by hand by the workers in the back, which you'll be seeing later.
Absolutely. And talk about why is it so important that we still even have it, something like this in Baltimore. I mean, my goodness, people get to do the business right here. But, I mean, to keep this kind of legacy alive, we're talking about this being around since 1898.
That's great. There's only so many companies still doing badges like this by hand here in America. And to have a company that is still here in Baltimore and is making badges for Maryland State Police and all the other agencies here in the state, plus around the country, it's really important. And it gives all the people that are in the back that have been working here for generations a place to come.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much. We have so much more to explore here, but I'll send it right back to you.
Back in with Alexus Davila with your Around the Town with Evan the Explorer. Wow.
Well, we have explored all the way to the backside here. We're getting behind the scenes look on how these badges are actually made. I'm joined with Ryan to actually walk us through the process because this is amazing. Please tell us more about it.
Sure. So basically you start with your raw brass. Here's what it is, but it starts off in these big large coils. From there, once it's trimmed out on this machine here, it comes over and we actually make our shape, our design of the badge. It comes from the forcer here and the die here. And so this piece is essentially placed and hammered on these larger pieces right here, these hammer tools. So that's a pneumatic press. Air powered puts that into the shape here. We're doing the abbreviated version, but essentially this is what you end up with. And this outer piece is trimmed here on our trim tool and our piercing. And from there you get your raw badge. From there, it will go over to the stations behind you. A lot of work goes into this, from stamping, applying the seal to the center, the fasteners. And so all of that is handwork that goes into each process to get us our finished badge, which you saw up there in our showroom.
Wow, and how long does it take from beginning to end to get through this process?
So our typical turnaround time is like 6 weeks. It's not a quick process. It can be abbreviated, but when it comes into working with all the different departments and these bulk orders that we typically deal with, it's usually a 6-week turnaround time.
Can you talk about why you use certain metals? Because we were just discussing earlier, to have that blue pigment like on a police badge, there's a certain type of material you have to use so it can come up.
Yeah, so they call that blue color enamel. The brass pieces are typically what we work with, but anything that's going to have color on that badge, that hard enamel, that needs to be done with copper metal. It's for heating temperatures so that when the process is done to put that blue color in the badge panel, the temperature of the badge itself can be heated to a much higher temperature than it would for any of these brass pieces where you might have seen the torches going on that. That's a different level of heat than what happens with the enameling process.
I mean, how many badges do you end up making? Because you're serving so many different agencies here in Maryland.
Yeah, in a given month we'll have thousands of badges come through here, and it's not just badges. We do the insignia, the buckles, the nameplates, everything metal on a uniform, the hardware. That's what we do here. Wow,
we could be here all day, but because we're short on time, I'm having to send it back to them. But my goodness, I'm going to stay here and just enjoy. I feel like a little kid in a candy store, actually. Back to you guys.